I'm gonna burp. Let me just take this cold out. Oh god. 3 burps in a row already. Yeah. I'll put my head in there. Just oh. One sec. Like, oh god, that was a big bar. Mike. Oh yeah, I can burp. Oh god. Is that something behind me? Oh, nope. Nuh-uh. I'll be right back. This is my dog, Lula. Did she just bleed on me? Right now she's bleeding. She better not bleed on me. Direct God. Why did you just do that? I'm tired. I got 3 more animals. I've got a guinea, 2 spaghetti. Oh. I've got her, 2 guinea pigs, and that's all. Deal with it. Oh my god, I'm not dealing with it. Bow! Don't knock over my glass. That's my glass. Yeah, this is my beautiful glass I made. Yeah. No, she never. We buy that. Jala. Continuing. Oh. Like, why am I on a video right now? This is the first time on a video. Say, yeah. Say hi, Lola. Hi. Brilliant. Yeah. I just heard a weird noise outside. Oopsies. Oh. I put the nose there by accident. Oh. Pardon your Lucy. What the heck are you doing, Lola? Like, I'm relaxing. That's how I relax. That is how I relax. Dance for me. What are you looking at? Nacho. Pull back. We all call her Lola, which is her real name. You're in the way. Get out the way, Lola. No, I'm gonna stay here. Gonna stay and do the rest of the video. So, hi, my name is Lola, and like, I love all of you who, and even I would subscribe to all of you who are subscribed to me, because I have completely none. Obviously me, I don't have none. I know you don't. Oh my god! Is there a weird thing on me? There's a weird thing on me. Is that me? Is that me? Oh, I never knew that. Ah! Oh god. Oh. Hey, can I do the rest of the video now? Yeah, sure, okay, go on, bye. Bye, Lola. Say bye, everybody. Yeah. Oh god. Oh, pardon me. Back! Oh god, sorry, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to shout at you. Sorry. Don't wait until 10 minutes. Until it comes up with 10 minutes, because I've already been 6 minutes. See if it... Just a little pinch. Oh my god. Back. Tongue. Dad! Jesus. I'm okay. I am on pajamas. Back. I was just gonna do something, but my sister's in there. I'm sorry to shout at you guys. I'm so sorry. By the way, this is my phone. I corrected it yesterday accidentally. You can't see all that. It's a Nokia. You see all that crap? I'm gonna tell my dad because he got up from the rest of it. I don't want to get in trouble. It's been 8 minutes. See what's up with that? YouTube. YouTube. Recap. Sorry. Masa các bạn là brightness, why? I have for YouTube. All that glass on me. Don't be mean, glass. Just like tiny pieces. Ugh. Go away. Go away. I wish I didn't crack my phone. Dang it. Because I needed a new one. Oh, excuse me. I'm a bless my YouTube. Yeah, Don't look at me like that. Oh, where's... Google. Good. Google looks really weird with a bright screen. Good. Blah. Woo! Yeah, I wish I can crack it more. But,
Yes, well, it's been 10 minutes, so bye. Bye!